Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 24th of October. I'm James Spann. The weather nice, quiet, beautiful today, but rain returns tomorrow at times into Saturday and Saturday night. Many questions about what happens in terms of the timing, how much rain falls. And then next week, some pretty cold air comes in here toward Halloween. So let's talk about things. Here's the upper look early this morning. A new trough digging down into the western states, and it's cold out there. Cold and snowy out in the Rockies. Pretty cool here. We've got some 30s again this morning in colder pockets. Out to the west, we have winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Colorado and New Mexico into the Texas Panhandle. But the east is quiet. Got a marginal risk of severe storms today and tonight for parts of Texas. And you notice South Alabama in the green late tonight after midnight, and this outlook runs through 7 a.m. tomorrow. There could be some storms over the southern half of the state, but again, no severe weather expected here. Tomorrow, SPC has about the western half of the state and some risk of thunder, nothing severe. And on day 3, which is Saturday, statewide, a chance of thunderstorms, but again, for now, severe weather not expected. There might be a few strong storms, but the instability values look pretty marginal for severe weather. But rain, yeah, you bet your buddy, a lot for the southeastern states. Now, this is coming from NOAA's WPC, the Weather Prediction Center, and this is valid through Thursday morning of next week. And this is suggesting over 5 inches of rain for the shoals, 6 inches at Tupelo, Mississippi. Tuscaloosa, Huntsville, over 4. Birmingham and Gadsden, over 3, with lighter amounts down to the south. So this will certainly help to ease the drought conditions, although Alabama's drought is mainly on the eastern side of the state. And off in the tropics, that little disturbance in the Bay of Campeche, with only a 20% chance of development. That thing's going to be picked up by a cold front and will be moving northeast and probably will not become a classic tropical system. So let's look at modeling here and see if we can answer your questions about the rain. This is today at 4 o'clock off the GFS, the 06Z run. Shortwave digging down into New Mexico, where they're going to see snow today for New Mexico and the Texas Panhandle. They don't see it out there that often in October, but they're going to get it today. But we're dry, beautiful, sunny mid-70s. Tomorrow, boom, here comes the rain. Rain becoming widespread during the day with temperatures holding in the 60s. Saturday, a surface low is west of Cincinnati with a trailing front down and through here, and that will bring more showers and some thunderstorms. So let's look at high-resolution modeling. This is tomorrow at 4, and understand the radar will not look exactly like this. This is just an idea, but a warm front should be pushing northward through the state. The big mass of rain will be along and north of the warm front. So if you're in South Alabama, it could be the better chance of rain will be tomorrow morning, and by afternoon, the rain continues over North Alabama, especially north and west of Birmingham. So understand, tomorrow night there's going to be some high school football. A lot of games have been moved up to tonight, but if you've got one tomorrow night, it might not be raining. In fact, for the southern half of the state, I don't think it will everywhere. But the rain could be pretty widespread for the northern and western part of the state. Now, this is Saturday at 1 o'clock, and again, this is the high-res NAM. And again, I stress the radar is not going to look exactly like this. But Saturday, it's not going to rain all day. We got the Magic City Classic in Birmingham, a big event, many things happening outdoors. But I do think we'll have occasional showers on Saturday, probably more than what you see here. And later in the day, there could be some thunder. This is the instability Saturday at 1 o'clock. And those are not really big numbers, but the instability does rise up to about 700 joules per kilogram to the west on that surface front. And so no doubt there could be some thunder in here Saturday afternoon or Saturday night. This is the STP, the significant tornado parameter, 1 to 2 units over eastern Mississippi. We think the limited instability and the weak lapse rates will prevent, a big severe weather problem. But as always, you have to watch systems this time of the year. And this is the lightning strike density off the European model. Saturday night at 10 o'clock. And you can see a lot of lightning on that front moving into West Alabama. So Alabama plays Arkansas 6 o'clock Saturday night. There could conceivably be a lightning delay at that game, just throwing that out there. But the rain should taper off late Saturday night. And then Sunday, the better chance of showers shifting down into South Alabama for the northern half of the state, the day looking mostly dry with mid-70s and some sun. Now, Monday, the GFS shows a big mass of rain south of Interstate 59, but the European model shows nothing. And for now, we're leaving Monday dry. Go to Tuesday, that looks dry, and colder air begins to move in from the north. And then this is Wednesday. It's a pretty cold air mass dropping in. These are the anomalies, and you can see it's going to be a pretty cold Halloween Eve, if this verifies. Highs here will probably drop in the 50s, and then this is a week from today, Thursday, the 31st, Halloween, a zonal flow and a very, very chilly air mass. Highs would look to be around 60, and we could start the day near the freezing mark. Some parts of North Alabama could see their first freeze of the season Thursday morning or Friday morning of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, November 2nd. Broad troughing here, and that's a dry air mass. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 4 inches. Some of the members up to 8 inches. We think that's not reasonable, but that mean looks pretty good. And here are the temperatures coming off the European ensemble, suggesting we could do 70s early next week, but notice by Friday the high dropping to 57, the low at 37. But again, many of the members show potential for a freeze for parts of North Alabama toward the end of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. I've got a live shot later today, so no afternoon video, but we'll have new notes posted later today. And if you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.